When it comes to cooking, many people simply don't have the time or haven't learned properly how to cook. Let me show you how to prepare super easy and adaptable recipes with almost any food and for any occasion. Start seeing animal products a little differently and eat in a way that will best support your health and happily the planet too. Actually, basic ingredients are the best, and without any stress, you will learn how a simple approach to food can absolutely transform your life and how straightforward preparing a meal can be. I will be your guide in this fireside chat. As a nutrition health coach, I have cooked a lot and thought about ways to improve the way we eat. Most of us are looking for ways to simply do that better. Whatever your priorities are around eating, whether you are looking for better health, more flavor and variety, or sustainability, I want you to know that it is easy and doable. In this fireside chat, I will be sharing my insights on how to find your way through nutrition and how to shift your mindset knowing that cooking is effortless and fun. Know that you can get really good ingredients into your kitchen. You will take away ideas for shopping, cooking with or without recipes, and practical, affordable ways to get the best food for you and the planet. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner, but also delicious treats. As meals are one of our most social experiences, I have invited one of my daughters, Vanina.
I'm an artist, cooking, and fitness enthusiast. You will learn how meals can be creative and build social connections. I love preparing fulfilling and tasty dishes, which are satisfying for everyone, no matter your dietary preferences. You will come away from this fireside chat not only with inspiration, but also with practical tools that will change your approach to food.
Along the way, we will have extra resources, recipes, and tips for you as you join us during the fireside chat. Finally, know that we also support the non-profit One Tree Planted, an organization dedicated to make it simple for anyone to help the environment by planting trees while making our lives better. We are looking forward to see you at the next Fireside Chat on February 24th.